Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech It's Simple. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to block someone on Bumble. Keep watching the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Tip: open a Bumble application and log into your account if necessary. If someone has been offensive to you and has been bothering you on Bumble, and if you want to block that contact or report him, you can easily do that within the application. Simply open the profile of the person that you'd like to report or block. Once you open up their profile, scroll all the way down and at the bottom, you'll be able to see a Match and Report button. Tap it on and from the expanded menu tap on Block and Report. You can choose from the following options displayed by your choosing the reason for reporting and blocking, or you should tap on any options and tap on Block in order to block them on Bumble. That is how you can easily block of contacts on Bumble. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box. If you have a question or feedback for us, I'll send you back as more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.